All right, I went to Home Depot. I picked up all these boxes, Milwaukee tool boxes. I do have a lot of tools, so I thought it would be easier to put all the power tools on this one since it has wheels and just drag it outside. So all these toolboxes are sold separately. They're called Milwaukee Packout. In order to remove these boxes, all you have to do, lift that little tab there, hold it, and this thing will just slide. And there we go. And to put it back in, you just push it back and it locks into place. Once again, to remove it, there we go. Let me go ahead and remove this other one. Has the little tab right here. You pull it up, you push this thing, you slide it, it'll slide really easy. And there we go. So this box is actually pretty nice. You can open it up. And we have some power tools right here. And no, I don't have any Milwaukee. All right, so we got the big boy right here, the rigid. Close it up. And there you go. It's ready to go. And there's a little tab right here. And there was another one. Oh, it stops right there. So in order to pull it up, you press this. There we go. And you got the handles right here on the side. It's really nice, actually. That way you don't have to carry each power tool wherever you're going. Everything's inside there. I also got this other attachment that goes really well on there. Locked into place. Really nice, actually. All right, to open this one up, you do have to, it doesn't open, this thing is in the way, so you just put it down, there you go. So more storage right there. So this top one, This does have 100-pound capacity. Impact resistant. The wheel, the one with the wheels, it's only 250-pound capacity. Wheels are 9-inch. All-terrain wheels. The only thing I didn't like, this thing does feel pretty flimsy, but I don't know, time will tell. That's the only thing I didn't like about it, but hopefully it'll last a long time. We'll see.